There goes. Honk. I should have got that Amazon crown. I was debating to get one of those like fake crap, like little cheap crowns. Amazon. No, I was like, I don't know. I know someone who does it already. I'm like, I don't really want to like ruin their thing. Okay, we're through. We're through. We're through. Jump. No, ow. Game. Okay. So if you hit the green things, you're really unlucky. You go left. Yeah, thank God. I just didn't look and I fell off them. Okay, we're gonna let people go. What? What am I bumping? Not again. This is gonna happen again. Oh my, yeah, we're out. We actually could be out. Because the game won't let me move. The game won't let me move. Okay, I'm not using that costume. That has terrible orange. What? What did I hear? That's twice tonight that's happened. No, you're blind. Oh, come on, man. That shouldn't have happened. That just sucked. We go from getting a win to first rounded. I don't know how it's possible. Whoa! Hello. I actually find it really hard to actually time stuff with this costume. Like, the costumes aren't really supposed to make a difference either. Not supposed to anyway. I could be wrong. I think I'm used to plain bean. Honk. Honk. Let's go. Round and around we go. Ow. Okay. We're miles ahead this time. I say that and then I get hit by that. Hello? Can I go forward, game? That was a good run as well. Yeah. Still fourth. Maybe I need to say something to you. Well, thank you. Okay, alright, I'm wrong. There's a goal one up there, which I am not near. No, it's that. Oh, damn it, other side. Okay. We might get to it if we've got a good team. Oh, well, we have. Oh, no. Right. One day I'm going to start putting bets on of how much I get through on team rounds. Just team rounds. Oh, 16. We've had 2 golds already. There's 3 golds. Ah, it's the gold round. So this is quite rare in this game mode, but you'll get a mode that literally constantly spawns a gold now. For most cases. Like there. But I can get this. Fine. I don't think it's constant. I think it's more rarer though. Or you get all the gold at the start, like another one there. Oh. I could be wrong actually. Honk. I've seen it like a clip of like someone jumped. Oh, am I gonna get to this? Yep. Oh, I've seen a clip where someone got caught. Wait, did your character honk? Yeah. It's one of the like emotes you can get. Well, they released and it was 5 crowns to get it. I love the fact like we've had so many golden ones and we're only just getting through. Yeah, they released like several of them. Like you had the costume, and in the first set when they released it, you could get the emote for it. So you could honk him. Just constantly honk. This is what I like to do. Let's go honk, honk. I need it. Just keep an eye on the shop base. It just rotates over. It rotates in and out. That's the best thing I can recommend. But yeah, it costs 5 crowns. Or was it 3? I think it was 3 or 5. Gotta hydrate. I'm not drinking enough water today. Unless you woke up and had an energy drink. Well, guys, not really too bad. Not the worst one. 4 sets of walls you have to get over and certain platforms to do it on. So right now, I messed that guy up. Lol. It's just this last one's a bit of a problem. Because, like, now, for example, there's no way to get... So, am I that far ahead? I don't think I am. 4 sets of platforms that you have to get over. It's pot luck on, like, where the walls are. Sometimes you can have a pattern that just goes, you can just dive all the way through. But, like on that one, the one that allows you to go over the wall is right at the back. But for each person that gets over that set of wall, it goes down. It goes down for people, so it becomes a lot easier to get through. It's that or time, it's one of the two. I think it's people more than time though. We could be in a final. Okay, so we got final again. Right, so we need to keep an eye on this platform right here. This is the next one we're worried about. Because we can see they're shaking. And they're on a 3 platform. So, but this is awful because we've got to try and dive and go over. I don't know now. Now the decision making gets harder. Because it's like... Yeah, I prefer to be on the 2 side than the 1 side. And we made the right choice because they all died. So, what a call. That's the worry about it. Okay, we got grabbers. See you, bitch. And ladies and gentlemen, that is why you do not grab in this game mode. Ever. People try it so much, and I don't get why. Like, all you gotta do is survive, and you win a crown. Even if the other person stays on board with you, you both win a crown. Makes no sense half the time. Well, we're in a 1v1 again. 1 versus 1 for back-to-back. No, it's not a back-to-back, is it? We went out in round 1. Ah, man. This guy doesn't know how to do these walls very well. He jumps at the moment. I could be wrong. Don't need to move. And it's a lot easier because we've got 2 platforms. So there's so much space. It's like I can go all over here, come back, and I'm fine again. Like on 1 platform you have to know what you're spacing as well. 2, I can just relax a bit. Obviously, this guy can just chill here. Like, okay, it's going there, so I'm going there. He's fell off, I win. Oh. I can't doubt him. Okay, I can't doubt the goose costume again. Goose with green face wins games. Jump Showdown is actually probably my best game mode. Followed by Full Mountain. 323 crowns. 16 to go. Right, I'm gonna random this. Random. Someone say stop. Okay, I have now half a goose. I've got Adidas goose. If you look at the bottom, the goose is holy. It shall never be stopped. Oh, it works. I think I'm the only goose in here. LOL. That's actually I think the first time I've had a win with the goose costume. I wish it's sort of a little. I might. Oh no. Okay. I wish like in the next season it told you how many wins you had with like a certain outfit or costume. Because I know like the underpants thing is probably my best like rating. Someone is grabbing me, bro. Who is grabbing? Okay, we're lucky. Up. Yep. We're not falling into the trap of that. Yeah. We know there's more on the right though, so the right side's gonna do better. As long as we get up. Get up. Left side got ruined. LOL. Okay, so we let them go. We go over this side. And we look at everyone. Oh, hello game. That's my stick drift. Hordes. Okay. Another one we ain't seen in a while. Look, right. So we get. How do we get 2 AFKs? So that's like put us at a disadvantage already. Oh, damn it. Oh, no, that's gone. Alright, we're leaving that. Right, there we go, there we go. I don't like when it's like this. Or like this. Just not one that way. Not let the red team have it. Oh, this is where it gets awkward. You should have 4. That's the max you should have. Unless these two are fighting each other. No? Okay, we're just... Ooh. Oh, now we're going to have another OT. Oh no, never mind. We took 6. How do we get 6? And we were down 2 members. We were down 2 people and we took 6 out of the 7. Golden juice did it. Right. Ace, this might be a new one you haven't seen yet. Actually, ow, that's not a good start. As long as it stays like this, we're okay. But they're about to... no, not yet. Okay, good pan so far. Look how many people get knocked out, though. Now comes the problem. Now I have to find out where it goes. Okay. I can't track it. Oh my god. Ooh! Oh my god, how many died? That is a lot of people who just... I haven't seen it. I only played a couple of new games in Season 3 and probably all of the Season 1 games. I missed Season 2. Yeah, so Season 2 was the Walls guy one. And Knight's Fever. Season 3 was the Hoops game. That one, that's brand new. That only came out last week. That's a brand new game mode. Knight's Fever is actually, it's a good one. I enjoy it. I think you just gotta have timings. The timings, that's the best word. Okay, right. 7 players for Hexagon. Interesting. Not a good start. I can't jump with this guy. I'm like thinking the goose can jump more than what I could. How did you make that? Okay, the game just... that sucks. That's where I start to overthink. Because he can get over to this side, that's the problem. Okay, unless they fall, which is a bit of a bonus. Just got to slow the jumping down. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. I think the issue is there was someone still above me. I'm sure of it. If they aren't, they've really messed up. So we're looking for 2, right? They're both above me, surely. 1 left. So he's the one. He's above me. There, okay. What we need to try. So we have to now figure out what's the best play. Do we go down like this? He fell. Yes! Oh, he got bumped. He bumped into me. Honk, 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 honk. I don't get why that's not a winning, like, celebration. Alright, I'm gonna make this the last one, guys. Because it's nearly 10 o'clock. We started to get a couple wins. What, 3 or 2? 3. 3 wins. Yeah. Okay, we've made it back up. We're still on the 1 hour a crown schedule. Oh, we went the wrong way. Ow, people. Gold runs are really hard to do. Literally, you have to be perfect. And this guy's trying to do it as well. Okay. Run, Goose! We're a super snoozy pirate. Right, yeah. Hey, it's one of the new. This is one of the new ones. So you have to get 15 points jumping through hoops. 1 point for bronze, 2 for a silver, and 3 for gold. So the end ones are 1, 3, and 5. And we got the perfect run. So the golden run is still on. What's the top? There's gonna be big ears. Oh, easy. Wow. But we start at the back. Not good. Wow. Oh, that guy's gone. Oh, man. Right, we've got to wait. Now we go. Easier go left. Up. Up. I don't think we're going to get the golden run at this rate. That guy is so far ahead. If we landed that first jump, I think we might have been okay. Whoa, that's fast. Oh, get up. Yeah, wait. Oh, man, there goes our golden run. Yeah. Oh, well, it happened. Honk at everyone then. That game. We're all just grabbing each other. Or it's neither of them. Four people to be eliminated from this round. Diving goose. Ugh. Well, let's just keep running around. Okay, one gone. Potentially two gone. This guy's stuck on it. He got out. Oh my god, he got out. Oh, I was really worried because I jumped super early then. One to go. That guy's trying to knock me off. GG. Oh, okay. All four. We got actually all four off this time. Last time no one went off. And it was just like, wow. Okay. It's not a final. Ow. Damn. See, what hit me there? I think there's a glitch where like the back of the fan catches you or something. Nothing hit me. The problem is though now, I don't know, actually. I ain't got that much to make up. Because this should go forward now. That one. That one. Yeah, good. People trying to rush. Stop rushing. You've got loads of time. Oh, missed. Okay, yeah. Up. Perfect. Very, very nice. Very, very, very nice. Oh yeah, and another hex. Right, final game. Let's see how we do. And then we'll find someone to raid. Oh, it gets actually even difficult because it's only 6, so seven person final. And at the moment, there's not a lot between people. Oh, I tried to hit it and I missed. Itching my eye while I'm running about. He's cleared some area out. Double, 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 da, da. Oh, I think I just messed that monkey up. Whoops. Sorry. Oh, there's a good area over there which someone's on now. We're not in a good position right now. We need to get back into the middle a bit. No, I can't make that. That's probably just lost us the game. Potentially. I need to cover the outside lane a bit. But this guy is just come over here and might have just lost us. It's like chess, this is. Taking my gamble. They all fell at the same time. The gamble worked. Never mind. There was a guy who had so much space up top, and he must have fell like 3 floors or something. Well, the Honk wins. That knocks us 325. Okay, so we actually did okay in the end. Just need an hour warm up for the stream.